excited to show you in this tutorial how to use Seal&Protect, the new magnetic invention. Seal&Protect is truly multi-purpose. It strengthens natural nails, it instantly repairs damaged nails, it reattaches lifted parts, and it's a superb priming agent before any nail surface. I start with the preparation of the natural nail. First I spray the nail with Prep&Wipe. Then I push back the cuticle and I remove the petrichem. When the nails of the client are very oily or shiny, it may be wise to gently buff the surface before application of Seal&Protect. Dehydrate the natural nail with Prep&Wipe. The natural nail is now ready for absorption of Seal&Protect. It's very important when we apply the Seal&Protect that we don't touch the cuticle. I apply a thin coat of Seal&Protect over the entire nail surface and cure for 2 minutes in the UV light, or 1.5 minutes in the twin light. Now I remove the residue with a clean dry nail wipe, and the natural nail is now primed for extreme adhesion. When Seal&Protect is used as a standalone surface, we apply 2 to 3 layers. Do not forget to remove the residue after each layer that's been cured with a clean, dry nail wipe. When the residue is left on the nail, this will prevent further absorption of the Seal&Protect. The natural nail is now reinforced, strengthened and protected against solvents like acetone.